Antipodes Reincarnation Pure Facial Polish Exfoliator. Now, Antipodes is a New Zealand brand. They have a range of organic and mainly natural products. They are heavily invested in science and nature and do regular studies to ensure that their products meet the needs of their consumers. Antipodes has clinical trials, dermatological testing, green beauty, sustainable ingredients, sustainable packaging, renewable resources, cruelty-free, certified organic range, and recyclable material. Now, I've been using this product for quite some time. I find it beautiful. It's very creamy, but very effective in exfoliating the skin. As you can see, the packaging, I'll just put a little bit on my skin. As you can see, it's quite creamy, but it does exfoliate. It does have exfoliating properties. Now, what are the directions? The directions are, it's in French and in English. Gently blends into moist skin at sunrise or whenever your skin calls for a new life. Rinse well and with warm and pure water. So, as I say, I find this very effective. It's made of avocado and jojoba beads, lift away lifeless skin. And I love this product. I love the brand. I love the make. And I love this product. This is my review.